Hi everyone, I'm Ross Mayola for Paracord Planet, and today we have Cord Wars, the game where we see if the employees of Paracord Planet know their paracord. Our contestants today, we got Rory and we got Brady. Rory, for 100 fake internet points, what color paracord is this right here?
That would be Werewolf 550. I should know. I made the color 2 years ago.
That is correct. Brady, also for 100 fake internet points, what color paracord is this?
Chameleon.
That is incorrect. Rory, about to snatch this one from Brady's hands. For the steal, can you name this paracord?
That is Trick or Treat. I also made that color.
That is correct. Brady, thank you so much for playing. I'm sorry it didn't work out for you.
Maybe next time. She made the colors. She cheated.
In a staggering defeat of 2-0, Rory taking the victory. Anything you want to tell all the fans out there?
You love me. You really love me.